This video presentation is brought to you by the ProMathAcademy. Our topic for this video is basic transposition, and I will be demonstrating how we transpose simple equations for their various terms using 4 examples. So for my first example, the equation is given by x plus y equals z, and we're transposing for x. If you notice, we have x plus y on the left hand side and we have z on the right hand side. To make x the subject, we need to remove y from the left hand side and carry it over to the right hand side. Since we have y being added on the left hand side, we will subtract y on the right hand side. Thus, if we bring y to the right hand side, we end up with x equals z minus y. That completes our first example. Moving on to the second example, we have a minus b equals c, and if you notice, on our left hand side we have a minus b, so we want to take that negative b and bring it over to the right hand side, and we want to take c from the right hand side and carry it over to the left hand side. Thus, this gives us a being equal to b plus c. Since b was subtracting on the left, it will now add on the right, and then we will take that same expression and we can now say a minus c is equal to b. Thus, since b is on the right hand side by itself, we have transposed the equation for b. Moving on to my third example. For example 3, we have x divided by y equals z. Notice this time we're transposing for x. We have x in the numerator and we have y in the denominator. Y is dividing, so if we want to transpose this equation for x, we have to bring y from the left hand side over to the right hand side. Similar in example number 1, but this time y is dividing, so since we bring it from the left hand side over to the right hand side, we now have y multiplying z. So this means that x is equal to z multiplied by y. For example 4, we look at the expression a divided by b equals c, and with this time we're transposing for b. Notice this time b, the subject that we want, is in the denominator, so we have to first remove it from the denominator, giving us a equals c times b, and then we remove c from the right hand side, carrying it over to the left hand side. Thus, we end up with a divided by c equals b, and notice we have now transposed for b. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next video.